on the W1 panel with USB cable. Let's connect all the devices now. First, press on the first button and enroll the remote control one by one.
Add successfully programmed.
Press again the first button to zone 1, then add magnetic sensor now.
Add successfully programmed.
Press again the first button to zone 2, add promotion detector now. Switch on the promotion detector.
Successfully programmed.
Now you have successfully connect all your device. Press the second button to home arm.
Home arming.
Disarm
System disarming.
when arming the
System
alarm.
arming.
Let's arm the alarm. When zone trigger, alarm will alert you instantly.
System alarming.
Use remote control to disarm the alarm. That's all for the connection settings for the alarm.